Hello, it's Sunday afternoon, or what time is it actually? It's 5:30ish. Football's going to be on in a few hours, and I'm here because earlier in the week, I made the little Lego superstar with a little rap dude and the ghetto blaster. So today I've decided, I don't know how long it's going to take because it's like 900 pieces, but I've decided that I'm going to start to do the Lego Adidas Superstar. As you can see here it is. It's based on a UK right size 7, one of which I have. So I will make this. I don't think I'll do a time lapse because it's going to take forever and frustrating. So many white pieces, but I'll do it. I'll make it and I'll share it with you in a slideshow, I guess. Maybe some time-lapse sections, but not the entire thing, because I don't know if I'll be able to do it before the football this evening. See you in a bit. So let's see what's inside the box. I've already had to release some tabs so that I can get underneath here, but look at this, it's even got the tissue paper, like a real pair of shoes. Can you see some of the bits? That's the shell toe there. Many bags, many things. Right, I'll get back to you when I've started. Where is the manual? Where is it? Okay, here is the manual. Let's have a look. It's quite thick. Oh, maybe there's some history. Oh dear, stay there. Some history, different ones. I've got those and these. Oh wow, lots to read in here. Who's he? Did he design them? Maybe. Or he designed those. Look at that, look at the difference. I can do that afterwards because I have those. And that's it. Right, oh, this essential tool to help get things off when you put them in one place, which you inevitably will. So I'll get back to you when I'm at this stage, I believe. Oh, actually no, that's bag 3. When I finished bag 1. Oh gosh, there's 6 bags. Oh my goodness. Yeah, maybe there'll be 6 parts to this. Righty-ho, let's get going. Oh my goodness, my back is aching. This is not the right chair, it's a rocking chair. This is a small table that is not conducive to Lego building, but this was the best light I could catch at this time of day. Anyway, the bottom, the sole is finished. The sole is complete. There are a few pieces left, and I'm sure something on the floor, but I either don't need them or I build it wrong. But that's the sole inside, and if you can see, let's open that out, what's in there is the same as what's there. Can you see? Which is pretty cool. Well, I think this looks slightly creamer than they look right. So anyway, it's supposed to be a UK size 7 right foot, and I think that's a good match. So well done to Lego. That's the sole there. That's the sole there. Here it goes. I now have platforms. Maybe I can wear my Adidas Superstar platforms in conjunction with Lego. And then the minute I wear them outside, they'll be broken. So I don't know if I can cope with building any more today. The football's not on yet. Oh, I've still got an hour and a half to the football. So maybe I'll start bag 2. See you on the other side. Bag 2. Bag 2. Here we go. And then a treat inside bag 2, another bag of small pieces. Right, let's get to it. So, I'm back. I didn't get to finish making the Adidas Superstar Lego yesterday because I went to watch the football. But I did do some building off camera, and this is what I have so far. So I've got both sides, and I just now need to do the tongue and the toe, and then it will be finished. So it's coming along quite nicely. So all I've got left now is bag number 6. So might do a little bit of time lapse, I'm not entirely sure. You'll see some of this getting built, and then I'll put the whole thing together and compare it again to the real Superstar. So can you believe it? Bag 6 is finished, and my Adidas Superstar Lego trainer is complete with laces and all. So I've got the laces tied up, we've got the Adidas logo on the tongue, we've got the Adidas logo at the back of the heel, and there it is. So let's compare it now to the actual shoe. What do you think? I think I said before that it's a bit creamier. It looks white when I look at it, but maybe Lego white is not brilliant white like these. So let's have a look at the soles. Can you imagine if it just fell apart? The sole, hold on. The sole, they couldn't quite go with that pattern. But it's a sole nonetheless. So let's actually get the left so that we've got a pair. Clearly I can't get my foot inside there, and I still don't know what that random piece, that random red Lego brick, can you see it there? I still don't know what that's for. No idea. But here we go. How do they compare? So it's completed. My Adidas Superstar Lego.